Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, September 18th, 2018. Tell me that you are not surprised about the action in the stock market right now. If you follow this blog, you are laughing, literally laughing your freaking you-know-what off right now because you knew that this was going to happen. It seems that there are some people that are very confused out here. Well, they probably don't follow this blog. I explained to everyone who follows this blog that these tariffs, first of all, exactly when they were going to happen. I kind of nailed that down. I also explained that when the tariffs were instituted, the reaction would be more or less muted because it was priced in. I mean, I nailed this. You have to admit that. Although there are going to be many trolls out here who say, "Oh no, that's not true." Well, look, I'm going to have to say that probably nobody else called that better than I did. I mean, this has been broadcast to the market for weeks. President Trump wanted to make sure that the market knew that these tariffs were coming, that they would be priced in. So when they did happen, well, look, stocks are higher right now. Stocks are higher. Gold and silver, slightly higher. Cryptocurrencies are catching a bid. Now, the bond market is under some pressure right now, so is the dollar. So these are also stock market positives. Very interesting set of dynamics in play here. We also understand that there's a lot more going on. There's no way, at least in this guy's opinion, and I am sure you would agree, that they are going to allow stocks to fall or do anything until the midterms. Look, the stock market is being used as a tool here to show everyone that doesn't know where to look that our economy is just doing so great. And I believe that Republicans are hoping that the rising stock market is going to carry them through the midterms. We'll see about that. I'm not really sure how that's going to play out right now. But it is going to be kept this way. Stocks higher. It's always the same story. Look here, don't look here. You know, fake numbers that are being spewed out of the mouth of our politicians, government agencies, because they don't want to tell you the truth. I mean, they keep touting these unemployment numbers, but they don't want to tell you that it's the labor force participation rate that matters, which is actually lower today than it was during the financial meltdown of 2008. Then there's the other distraction. Oh, well, that's because people are leaving the workforce here because they're retiring. What about the people that are coming in? We have a net positive, by the way, if you factor in colleges, universities, trade schools. Yeah, we're losing about 4 million a year to retirees, baby boomers, but we're gaining an extra million per year because of people that are graduating, like I just said. Anyway, look, we all understand this story. It's fake. Everything is fake. This is an environment of fantasy land. I mean, seriously, Disney should make a cartoon about this. And they probably will at one point here, because there will be a moment here, and you know this better than everybody else, where this corrects to fair value. Don't know when, don't care when. I just want you and me to capitalize on this. That's it. Anyway, so the story right now is, and it's funny, if you were to go on Market Watch or any of these and say, oh, the market is just shrugging it off. The market isn't shrugging off anything. This was priced in. And all of you who follow this blog know that. And I have to say, I am proud that I did get this right. And it's no surprise to any of you out here that follow this blog. It's important to me, at least, look, I'm going to be wrong from time to time. There's no doubt about it. I'm not a machine. I do the best that I can. But when I'm coming out here and trying to explain things to all of you, I want to make sure that at least I am right most of the time. And I think that's the truth, and I'm happy about that. Anyway, with that said, who knows? Maybe this will all reverse by the end of the day, and then we'll have to see what happens. I doubt that. I think, especially now with the dollars sell off here. Bonds are selling off, like I said, but nothing dramatic. As long as they can keep that 10-year in the sweet spot, and they're gonna prop all this up from here until our eyeballs explode, or everything else we want to look at too. All right, with that said, I will shut up, and I will see you at the end of the day.